Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Hi, my name is Deborah. Today you're joining me for a Valentine's Day sweet charcuterie board. I am going to be taking along with me as I bake two different types of biscuits, a butter biscuit and an Italian almond biscuit. Those are predominantly used for dunking into coffee first thing in the morning or any time of the day, and they're absolutely divine. I'm also making chocolate covered strawberries and a divine rocky road. Towards the end of the video, I will assemble this into a charcuterie board. So if you're after some ideas on creating a sweet Valentine's Day charcuterie board, then stick around and I'll put the timeline at the bottom here so you can see where the assembly of the charcuterie board starts. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content, and come along with me as I bake madly to get ready for this Valentine's Day charcuterie board.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. All of the things you did for me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, cause you're
This dough is so forgiving. You can roll it over and over again so that you can use up every last little speck of it.
With me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go.
Right, all the biscuits have come out of the oven and I've made them a little bit too golden, but the icing will cover that. And all I've done with the icing is just a simple sugar icing, nothing fancy, and put a little bit of pink food dye in it just to make it Valentine's Day appropriate. I bought these decorations from Woolworths this morning, and I'm going to use the pink coloured sugar to decorate some of the biscuits. All right, let's get started with the letter I. Now, I'm not very good with icing, but I'll do my best. Okay, there you go. Looks more like a bone than an eye.
Next to me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh.
So I made another batch of icing, and this one came a little bit pinkier. This came a little bit pinkier. And I've put some of these lolly buttons, love heart shaped buttons, on the biscuits, just to do something a little bit fancier.
Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Give me some time to get stronger. I'll be okay, just give me a little bit longer. Yeah, we're gonna win the struggle we're in. It's never goodbye till it's over. Come here I am reaching my arm out. I want us to win the struggle we're in. It's never goodbye, it's never goodbye till it's over. Come back to love. I was so crazy to lose you. Just come back to love. Let's never do what we used to. Leaving without saying.
I'm making now the Rocky Road, and I start by using Cadbury chocolate. This is our favorite chocolate to use. The fun part about making Rocky Road, and let me tell you, Rocky Road is so easy to make. It's essentially just melted chocolate, any type. My family and I prefer milk chocolate rather than dark chocolate. And then I put in clinkers, marshmallows. I like putting hazelnuts rather than peanuts. Ripe raspberries. The best part is taking everything out of its packaging. Of course, if you have a nut allergy, you can also always not include the nut.
So crazy to lose you. Just come back to love. Let's never do what we used to. Leaving without saying, teasing without playing.
Now I'll quickly melt the chocolate in the microwave, and the first part I'm going to be using to drizzle over the Italian biscuits that I've got here cooling behind me, and then the remainder will go in the Rocky Road.
So come back to love.
So the biscuits are ready to go. I'll move them out of the way while they're cooling down. And now back to assembling the Rocky Road. I pour the melted chocolate in and mix it well, before then laying it down in a shallow tray and moving it to the fridge to cool before cutting it into squares. Okay, here in front of me are the fruits of my labour. I've been baking madly all day. I haven't had a baking day like this in years. And today I baked to get ready for Valentine's Day. So I have the butter biscuits that I've decorated with pink icing because they look delicious. I have the Rocky Road, the chocolate covered strawberries, and the Italian almond biscuits that I've drizzled with chocolate. Overall, it's ready to go. Now I'll just get the platter that I've purchased for this Valentine's Day sweet charcuterie board, and I'll start assembling it. I've got some grapes that are going to add a little bit of freshness on top of the strawberries. I have these oranges that I had dehydrated in my dehydrator recently, and they've turned into these gorgeous little orange circles, very thin. You can eat them as they are, or you can add them into drinks when you're making cocktails. They're very handy. But today I'm also going to use them to decorate my sweets. This is the rose gold platter that I bought from Kmart recently with the intention of using for Valentine's Day. I really like the rose gold look of it. I just thought it gave it a glamorous look. I'm putting some Rocky Road down the middle. And I think I'll use the strawberries as decorations on the sides and in between to fill in any gaps. And then these gorgeous biscuits, I really don't want to take them apart because they look so pretty. These are the darker pink biscuits that I made, and I attached a little lolly in the middle just to give it something a little bit more Valentine-y. Okay, I'm not going to fill it up too much. I really only want the biscuits to be the star attraction, and I want it to be simple and easy. I don't want to just pile it up like I normally do. I want this to be a little bit delicate. So I think that's enough biscuits. I will now fill in the gaps with the strawberries. These are so yummy. that will do, otherwise it's going to go crazy. And here's the finished charcuterie board created for Valentine's Day, and it's sweet and delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and me taking you along with me on my big day of baking. It's not something that I normally do, and then you got some ideas for the Valentine's Day coming up. Just let me know what you're creating for Valentine's Day, whether you celebrate it or not, whether you go out for dinner or whether you do something simple at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.